Hi, hello, my name is Romain Lacour, this is my wife Tanya.
Hello.
We've been traveling with this beautiful electric tuk-tuk around for 4 weeks around Sri Lanka. We nearly completed 1,000 miles. So yeah, let me tell you a bit about the tuk-tuk. It's electric, as I said, and it's very easy to charge. It's just on a normal socket. It's 230. It will take about 15% an hour, so it will take a long time to charge from 0 to 100. But if you're sleeping, it's okay. You can drive, if you drive fast, you can drive about 100 kilometers a day. If you're put it on eco, which I will explain, you can drive around 140. So that is very good. Let's check the inside of the tuk-tuk. So this is the beauty where you're gonna sit and play. You have no gears. That is very easy. The only thing you have a brake, a handbrake, and a gas throttle. The beauty is it's all quiet, so your wife can talk a lot against you, so that's very good. But you also can put a boombox inside and have music all the way, which you can rent here as well, and you can rent a cooler. So we have a screen here. Let me show you. You put it on, and then it starts up. And you see we have now 93%, and it's on neutral. This is neutral, it doesn't drive. This is drive. That means you go forward, and you got the air for reverse. Be careful because it's really quick, really quick. It reacts really quick. That's the good thing about electric. And this is the drive. You see how strong it is? It even goes through the brake. Yeah, so be aware to loosen that up before you start driving. Now you got 3 settings on this beauty. You got the eco. If you put it in eco, and you drive around, it goes no faster than about 35 kilometers an hour, which is plenty enough. Maximum speed is 40. If you drive on small roads, you don't want to go fast either. With this one, you almost manage to get 140 kilometers, right? If you put it on normal, you can go up to 45, 47 kilometers an hour, which is if you go up the mountains or if it's a busy road you want to overtake, you drive on that. Sports goes up to almost 60 kilometers an hour, but you really want to use this only to go up the mountains, because if you drive on this, the battery charge will go very fast, which is easy. So normally drive eco, it reacts still very fast, it's quiet, and you go fast enough. Overtake, put them on normal, put them back in eco. If you drive in the mountains, you drive up with normal or sports. If you go down and you put it on eco, and you give full throttle down, it will slow down and it will recharge itself, right? So you keep it full throttle, you're going down the mountain, and you will not go past 37, 38. It will slow down the motor and it will start recharge itself. So it will extend your travel time. Switches to the right, switches to the left. This is your main light and your bigger headlight for driving at night, which you shouldn't do. And then you can you have your windscreen wiper, and that's
and the horn, very important in Sri Lanka.
Very fast, because all the old tuk-tuks are standing next to me and we need to go. I pull off, instant power, I'm gone. And they all go like, try to catch me, then I wait, they go by, they go like, woohoo, very good. And then, I'll let them drive their speed. So to power it up, you got 2 power cables, you got an extension cord, which sometimes you need. You see, it's the normal 3-way. It's easy, everybody has it. If you can park it shorter to the socket, you put this one in, right? This one is the one you have to connect to the charger. The charger is very easy, reachable here on this side. Plug it in, and you put it in. Be careful, because it will say it's charging while it's not plugged. You can see here, right? So sometimes the fuse in the building get flicked over and you can't see it because it still says charging. You need to see the top ones. If they are moving, then it's really charging. If you only see the lower one moving, it is not charging, right? So that's a thing you need to look after for. So if you put it in somewhere or somebody plucked it out or whatever, you have to check, and you see that it's not moving in the top, so it's not charging, even though it says charging. But that's because you know, it's a stupid machine. It thinks like, oh, the socket is in, it's charging, and it's not. So that's the only thing you need to check out when you charge your vehicle.